asuntosykeyhtiö Pohjolan piha.
This is amazing also today. Here on the 17th of July 2025 we have Pohjankulma 2 staircase A. We also need the staircases B, C and D here. They were completely unknown, but luckily it's the original.
Yeah.
Also here in Tampere, Finland, and they are ValmetSchlieren, built in 1981. And this number is VS5898. The capacity is 4 berths, 13 spectrums, 8 portion. We'll try the rats here.
Yeah.
I hope that we can get also the staircases B, C and D as
Yeah.
soon as we can later. Has memory, but it's not.
Yeah.
Because the sounds from the strange.
Yeah.
The elevator tries to fool us.
Yeah. This is why you shouldn't test the memory because it's not needed.
Yeah, but it sounded like somebody was.
Yeah.
So we didn't know. I didn't know for sure.
Yeah. But if you didn't press the button, then we would have known it. Because now it went down because you had pressed it, and we thought that somebody called it.
But it wasn't.
Yeah. Inspektiivitpaikki vain that maintained back home.
We thought these were replaced that were completely unknown and they were still replaced with original.
Yeah.
I love the sound as well here.
Same here.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope we can get to the staircases B, C and D here as soon as possible.
That's